Ladies and gents, welcome back. Another beautiful morning out here. Got a ton of stuff to do today. I got to finish putting together that entertainment stand, which is not going to be fun, and don't worry, I'm not going to bore you with that. Couple dump runs, and I want to do the graphics on the old KLR today. So that's just for starters. We might be able to fit some more stuff in. We'll see. Okie dokie, got most of the parts off the KLR here. Now I just need to get the stickers off of them. Might have to do a little wet sanding. This one's got some deeper scratches. But yeah, just get them cleaned up, I suppose. Alrighty, got the graphics laid out. And surprisingly, some of them are like, man, where do they go? But came with nice directions, which is always cool. Kind of shows you a general area, except for, oh boy, what? Number 16. I don't see a number 16 on here, but I have an idea, so we'll figure it out. I also cleaned up the plastics and used goof off and all that good stuff to get it all nice and clean, because we need to make a solution of water and soap and slide these things around. And then afterwards, I'll heat them up with the blow dryer. All right, I got the first piece on there, not too bad for eBay aftermarket stuff. But the side piece here, this is gonna be a little bit tricky. So, you know, it's in multiple pieces. I'm thinking about just wetting the whole thing and fitting, because I'm scared to put one piece on, stick it, and then the other pieces won't fit. I thought dirt bike graphics were a pain in the butt. Oh my goodness, this thing. So much graphics. It would have looked a lot better if I would have painted the tank black. But, you know, she's just a little KLR, so we're not going to go too crazy on her. But the graphics, you know, for cheap Chinese ones, they look pretty decent. I think when the bike's all together, it'll look cool. Alright guys, well it was super hot this afternoon, but I got a ton of work done on the KLR. Pretty stoked on that. It looks really good. Then took Greenie for a ride, went down to the old park by my house, and hope you guys enjoy that. I'm going to do some more riding videos here in the future. Feel free to shoot a comment, any questions. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.